can hear a cat praying on his wall. Spider web. There is the spider web. Can you hear that? Oh, there he is. He's on the hill. Uh-oh. Ah! What scared you, Baz? I can see your tail. It's so big. It's so big and bushy. Look at your big bushy tail. Close up on Barry. True that trampoline. Through the trampoline again. I got so excited last time. Now it looks like bullshit. Oh. Oh well. Oi! Look at those springs are making loud noises. There's Randy down there, Randy the rooster. Okay. Whoa! Okay, first trick of the night is gonna be a backflip. And a 2, and a 1, and a go. I accidentally turned the video off, but I kind of fell down. It kind of really hurt, so why trampoline? Why? Ready? Another trick. We'll do a forward flip this time. I'm gonna flip into it. You ready? 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 All right. Okay, we're ready. Okay, we're ready. You ready? Yes, we're ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Here's the secret behind backflips. Okay? You wanna know? You're about to know. You're about to find out my secret about backflips. Here we go. So, yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. But you ready? You ready? Basically, you just flip around. I'll give you some nice pictures of Barry. Barry, show me pictures. Oh no, you're on the trampoline. Okay.